It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Mercedes-Benz prioritized comfort and style by including a rear window wiper, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, an outside temperature display, turn signal indicator mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Mercedes-Benz ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.